Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to build and fly a 5-inch freestyle quadcopter based on the Halo RC Osiris frame and the Brotherhobby VS2207 motors, which I have recently reviewed. In this video I'm going to go over the specs of this relatively lightweight build, show you some flight footage, and announce the winner of the recent Halo RC giveaway. And the all-up weight, including the GoPro Session 5 camera and its mount, is 633.1 grams. Now, while it is not a lightweight build, for a 5-inch freestyle build it is pretty decent, and I was quite surprised to discover that with an onboard GoPro Session 5 camera and its mount, using this 6S battery, I got close to 7 minutes of flight time, which is very impressive. So this setup, which is based on the Brotherhobby VS2207 motors, seems to be very efficient.